So, Diane, what is your favorite thing about Halloween?
Oh, I'd probably say seeing all the cute little trick-or-treaters.
Oh my God, with their outfits, so adorable.
Totally, and you hear that knock on the door. It's amazing.
Absolutely. Piss off! How rude.
Yeah, no kidding.
And now, your Seattle real estate market update with Aaron Janus.
Welcome to your October market update. Diane, how about we jump right into some numbers?
Let's do it. As always, let's start with a look at the median home prices around the area. Beginning in Seattle, the median sales price last month was at $812,000, which is up 6.14% from the same time last year. Over on the Eastside, we see that median sales price was at $1.2 million last month, which is up 6.95% year over year. Now, if we zoom out and look at all of King County, we see that the median sales price sits at $799,000, which is up 7.25%. So, Aaron, how's inventory looking? Is it improving at all?
Well, it is, Diane, but not as much as one might think. While active inventory is up and pending sales are down across the board, we still only have a couple months of inventory. So let's dig into these numbers. Starting here in Seattle, we see active inventory up this month nearly 49% year over year, while pending sales are down over 41%. There's currently 2.2 months worth of inventory, which is about a half month's more than the previous month. On the other side of Lake Washington, we see active inventory up, get this, 232% year over year. It's crazy. So the East Side's currently sitting at 1.9 months worth of inventory. And finally, looking all across King County, the active inventory is up about 98% year over year, with pending sales down nearly 39%. We currently have 2.02 months worth of inventory in King County. Okay, Diane, so we're hearing all this stuff about the impact of rates on the market. What can you tell us?
Well, rates resumed their record-setting climb this week, with the 30-year fixed-rate mortgages reaching its highest level since April of 2002. Remember those days?
Oh, I do.
For the week ending on October 13th, the 30-year fixed-rate average climbed to 6.92%. Per Freddie Mac, we continue to see the tale of two economies in the data. Strong job and wage growth are keeping consumers' balance sheets positive, while lingering inflation, recession fears, and housing affordability are driving the housing demand down
precipitously. Yeah.
Thank you. The next several months undoubtedly will be important for the economy and the housing market.
Thanks, Diane. It's interesting because while it feels like the market is shifting, and it certainly is, these inventory numbers don't really bear out like a wholesale shift, right? In fact, our inventory today is still 13% lower than the same time in 2019, which was, as you might remember, before this whole pandemic thing happened.
True. Now, what a great opportunity for buyers right now after getting beat up by multiple offer situations and the shenanigans of the last couple of years. Do you know what buyers can do now?
What can they do, Diane?
Things like contingencies. Remember those days when you could write an offer with a contingency? That's right. Buyers can do their own inspections. They can ask for things to be repaired. They can have an appraisal contingency. And they don't have to offer $100,000 in non-refundable earnest money. They can keep their firstborn children.
I know, isn't that wonderful?
It's a whole new world.
First time singing on the market update. Hey, that's a good point though. In fact, I believe that you just negotiated a 3% credit on an inspection just last week, didn't you?
Who would have thought?
Yeah. So I agree. A return to a more balanced market would be a really healthy thing. It's been so long. I think a lot of people just assumed this was the new normal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Bottom line, particularly in a shifting market, you need a team on your side that has been through the market shifts before and knows how to navigate a rapidly changing market. If you and your coworkers, your family, your friends need guidance in their real estate journey here in the Seattle area, please let us know.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button so you can never miss another episode of our market update. We'll see you next month.
House goals realized. JanusGroup at RE/MAX Integrity.
It's a tooth!